Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FreshForex. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FreshForex is a beginner-friendly ECN and no-dealing desk broker that was founded in 2004. The FreshForex brand is operated by Riston Capital Limited, which is registered by the Financial Services Authority of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. FreshForex is a member of the International Decentralized Association of Cryptocurrency and Blockchain and is a fully licensed and registered entity. FreshForex only works with European liquidity providers, banks, payment aggregators, and systems that are licensed by European regulatory authorities. FreshForex also offers trading bonuses, cashback rewards, and VIP benefits. As a client, you will have access to secure virtual private servers, trading robots, a great selection of advanced trading tools, plenty of educational resources, and flexible accounts that can be used to trade hundreds of instruments on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with this broker, and FreshForex offers spreads starting as low as 0 pips. FreshForex offers more than 280 tradable instruments, and there are over 50 currency pairs. This broker also offers dozens of cryptocurrency pairs, a variety of stocks, energies, indices, ETFs, and precious metals. The typical spreads on currency pairs start from as low as 0 pips on the ECN account, 0.9 pips on the Market Pro account, and 2 pips on the Classic account. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 2,000 when trading with FreshForex. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with FreshForex, hover your cursor over the Trading Conditions tab and choose an option from the drop-down menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the FreshForex customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need any assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. One of the major advantages of trading with this broker is that there are multiple promotions and bonuses on offer. A no deposit bonus, which means that your account will be credited and you'll be able to trade without depositing any funds initially. A drawdown bonus, which credits your account with an additional 123% if you deposit $101. A funding bonus, which adds an initial 10% of the cryptocurrency you use to fund your account every time you make a deposit. An incredible 300% tradable deposit bonus that will be credited to your account each time you make a deposit of at least $100. Some other bonus perks include a stop-out insurance, commission-free deposits, cashback rewards of up to $20 for lots with no profits, $10 for lots with profits, and $5 for all lots with closed trades. If you own a website or have a large following of traders and investors on social media, you can increase your account balance through the FreshForex affiliate program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a cash bonus. As a FreshForex client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. 5 years later, MetaTrader 5 was launched, and many new features were introduced, including advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and so much more. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. You will be able to use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and 5, hover your cursor over the Trading Conditions tab and click on one of the links under the Trading Platform menu for a full list of features and direct download links. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from any browser. The benefit of using a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server, so you will never have to worry about overloaded servers or issues with backups. If you'd prefer not to trade on any platform, you can use the FreshForex EasyBot service to trade using Telegram. This service is available on live accounts and demo accounts. The FreshForex EasyBot will provide you with essential information on current quotes, data on accounts, and open trades, so that you can easily trade without analyzing charts. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with FreshForex, and this broker also offers demo accounts and a swap free account. The live trading accounts you can open with FreshForex include the Classic account, the Market Pro account, the ECN account, and a Cent account. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these accounts, but an initial deposit of at least $200 is recommended by FreshForex. All accounts use market execution and have impressively fast transaction speeds. The Classic and Market Pro accounts are commission-free, and all accounts are eligible for cashback rewards, bonuses, and stop-out insurance. The account you use will not place any restrictions on the instruments you can trade, and any of the accounts of it can be used to trade all the available instruments. These accounts share many similarities and mostly differ in the spreads they have and the size of orders allowed on each account. The Classic account offers fixed spreads from 2 pips and has a maximum order size of 20 lots. The Market Pro account typically has spreads starting from 0.9 pips and has a maximum order size of 100 lots. The Classic and ECN accounts can be used on either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. However, the Market Pro account only supports MetaTrader 4. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you open an Islamic swap free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, this account type is exclusive to Muslim clients. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FreshForex offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with FreshForex will only take a few minutes, and creating an account is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FreshForex homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Complete their online application form, and then verify your account and email address. and then you can log in to their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After you have opened and verified your account, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FreshForex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, Skrill, Neteller, and dozens of other payment systems. Your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars, euros, or a variety of cryptocurrencies, such as Tether, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. FreshForex does not charge any deposit fees, however your service provider might. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. FreshForex provides heat maps, trading signals, an economic calendar, indicators, market forecasts, and much more. So we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. This broker also offers a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. You can use the economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. We also recommend bookmarking their trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. What makes FreshForex unique is that you can visit the Huckster Forex Advisor shop to buy pre-built MetaTrader 4 Expert Advisor packs, and there are plenty of free MetaTrader scripts and indicators that you can download and use. Since this broker allows the use of expert advisors and automated trading, using these packs will make it much easier for you to get started if you are interested in this style of trading. All you need to do is purchase one of the packs and activate it. Each pack comes with a detailed description of its features and systems, and there are dozens of high-quality packs to choose from. Another way you can improve your chances of success is by subscribing to the FreshForex Trading Signal service, which will give you a better idea of when to buy currency pairs and how to set your order parameters. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. This broker has won more than 20 international awards and offers online trading services in over 200 countries worldwide. Overall, FreshForex is a great choice for beginners, and this broker offers competitive spreads, flexible accounts, and low-cost trading. There are hundreds of instruments that you can trade with FreshForex, so diversifying your portfolio will be easy. This broker is also a popular choice for day traders and new traders because of the abundance of research material provided. Remember, if you need any assistance, you can reach the FreshForex customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. FreshForex has been around for many years and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FreshForex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.